Let me also now bring in my colleagues who've been tracking all these developments for us. Pranshu Mishra, he's been tracking all these developments from Varanasi, joining us on the broadcast from outside the court. And my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar, who's been tracking all the developments as far as the legal side is concerned. Pranshu, coming to you first. The Hindu side is saying this is a win in the right direction, while a disappointed Muslim side is saying they will approach a higher court. Just summarize for our viewers what we heard from the court today.
Yes, that's right. See, I think the Hindu side is, is justified in saying that this particular day, today's verdict, is a win in their direction, or is an indicator of things going their way. Now, the reason being because the Muslim petition was basically asking that the Hindu petition of the 5 women devotees seeking the right of daily worship at the Mosque-Shringar Gauri's scriptures on the wall of the mosque, that should be allowed, and that has been, the petition of the Hindu side that has been held up by the court today. Therefore, the Muslim side is a bit disappointed. It says that the court's interpretation, the court's logic today, that is not appropriate as per the points laid in the Act of 1991, and therefore they will approach the higher court. The Hindu side is elated because now it feels that the larger battle about determining the actual character of this place, the larger battle over debating about the findings of the Advocates Commissioner survey report, the larger argument over deciding that whether the place that has been sealed, which the Muslim side calls it as the Wazukhana and the Hindu side calls it as a sacred shivling, all those arguments can now take place further in the court, and that's the reason why the district court has fixed the date of 22nd of September, called in all the sides to decide on what future date, which particular petition should be taken up. But the sense we are also getting is that during this course, over the period of probably next 1 week, we might be seeing the Muslim side approaching the High Court, or else even the Supreme Court, where the matter is already, still before the consideration of the Supreme Court, challenging the today's order of the District Judge Court. Very important point which the District Judge in its order clearly said that the 1991 Act doesn't bar a petition seeking the right to worship. It might be barring a suit which claims to determine the exact religious nature of a place, but this particular petition, the Shringar Gauri petition, was not about determining the religious character of the place. It was about the right of worship filed by a set of devotees. And therefore the court said that, it feels that this petition should be kept under consideration. It is fit for further hearing, and therefore the stage has been set. Over the next few days, in the days to come, we'll see arguments and counter-arguments between the Muslim and the Hindu side over each and every finding of the Advocate Commissioner's survey report.
Correct. And Pranshu, this is something that you pointed out earlier, that today is going to be only about the maintainability of the play, and after that also there will be a long-drawn battle. But